What is a metaverse? Metaverse Explained. There is no escaping the internet's favorite term, the metaverse, which includes live concerts in the virtual universe, or a digital art gallery in Decentraland. The metaverse is what we call the future of the internet, an amalgamation of the physical and virtual worlds, when VR and AR bring the physical and virtual together and make it possible for us to experience the internet in completely new ways. The term metaverse was first used by Neal Stephenson in his 1992 book Snow Crash to describe a virtual world in wide use in his imagined future, a 21st century dystopia. In Snow Crash, the metaverse is a virtual reality world depicted as a planet-encircling marketplace where virtual real estate can be purchased and sold, and where virtual reality goggles allow you to inhabit 3D avatars whose form you have the freedom to choose. The metaverse as envisioned by Neal Stephenson is far from our present-day realities, but the idea of combining the physical and virtual worlds has since inspired other authors, scientists, futurists and game developers. You could also use VR to interact with the internet in ways that are not possible now, such as taking a tour of a building in the metaverse and seeing how it would feel to live there. The earliest examples of the metaverse were the cyberspace scenes in the 1984 science fiction novel by William Gibson and Bruce Sterling, and the virtual reality world of Snow Crash, but since then the idea has been around for much longer than that. Furthermore, the metaverse is not just a new way of using the internet, it's also a new way of living. The metaverse is an environment that combines the physical and virtual worlds. In a virtual world, you can interact with the physical world around you, and vice versa. It is a place where you can move freely between the real and virtual worlds, and even experience them simultaneously. With the current concept of the metaverse, people will be able to do anything they can do in real life. Metaverse is still a new concept and there are numerous parties working to make it a perfect reality. You may find yourself driven to purchase digital items that come in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, in metaverse projects. What is virtual and augmented reality? The virtual reality, VR, definition comes naturally from the definitions of both virtual and reality. If the term virtual reality refers to near reality, then near reality is not as real as true reality. Virtual reality is the recreation of a virtual environment presented to our senses in such a way that we experience it as if we were really there. With virtual reality we can expect to see many more innovative uses for the technology and perhaps a fundamental way in which we communicate and work, thanks to the possibilities of this new technology. Augmented reality AR is the enhanced version of the real physical world. The technology allows the user to view information about an object in their immediate environment as if it were physically present. Augmented reality is not just a gimmick, nor is it a new idea. The earliest known use of AR was in ancient Greece, where philosophers used it to enhance their understanding of the physical world. If item ownership is guaranteed, it should be with an NFT, non-fungible token, which might take the form of a piece of art, a digital collectible item, or a digital version of a physical world purchase, such as a pair of Nike shoes you can actually wear in the metaverse. Although the metaverse at the current state is heavily dedicated in gaming industry, some of the real-world projects that are acting as a bridge of virtual reality and physical world are as follows. 1. The Sandbox. The Sandbox is a kind of digital world where players can create, sell and trade their virtual products using blockchain technology. As the Sandbox virtual world is built on top of the Ethereum blockchain, it is secured by the proof of stake, POS, consensus mechanism. 2. Decentraland. Decentraland is another Ethereum network-based metaverse experience. Participants can use the native token Mana to purchase virtual land to build their own games or experiences, create avatars and customize them, as well as buy digital accessories. Decentraland is a fully decentralized virtual world, and it's run by the Decentraland DAO. 3. Axie Infinity. This blockchain game, Crypto, AXS, is like an Ethereum blockchain-based version of Nintendo's Pokemon franchise. If you're looking for a fun game where you can earn tokens to use in-game items, check out Axie Infinity. 4. Upland. Upland is a blockchain-based game where users can buy, sell, and trade virtual properties mapped to the real world. The project uses blockchain to create unique digital assets representing real-world properties. Future of Metaverse. The future metaverse will be similar to the real world in many aspects and even replace some real-world activities. A wide variety of metaverse non-fungible tokens have been proposed to serve a range of purposes within the metaverse economy. A growing number of people have become interested in investments in virtual lands on such games and are starting to buy and sell such lands. In the future, a metaverse can also be a major contributor to the growth of the virtual economy, which depends on video games and virtual worlds. Hey! Thank you for watching this video. If you love this content, feel free to comment, share, subscribe and smash that notification bell, so that you won't miss any future content and giveaways. Crypto Wealth Code, your wealth building partner. Have a great time.